Are you interested in understanding one of the biggest financial disasters in history? The stock market crash of 1929 is a cautionary tale that has shaped how we invest today. In this video, we'll explore how the era of prosperity in the United States was shattered by the stock market crash, leading to the Great Depression. You'll learn how greed, overconfidence, and lack of regulation caused the market to crash and how they impacted people's lives. From the chaos on Black Thursday and Black Monday to the long road to recovery, this video will give you a comprehensive overview of the stock market crash of 1929. This story is about greed, desperation, and the importance of being cautious when investing in the stock market. So, if you want to avoid repeating history, watch this video until the end. Prosperity was happening in the United States a long time ago. People were making a lot of money, and life was going well. However, something terrible was about to happen that they didn't know about. Today we will discuss the stock market crash of 1929 and how it changed everything. The story begins with an increase in stock prices. This caused people to invest their life savings into the stock market because it seemed like a safe investment. The prices kept increasing, and everyone wanted to make money from it. However, there needed to be a solution. Many of the stocks sold were overpriced and not worth the price being paid. Companies were using accounting practices that were not honest and buying back their stocks, which made the stock prices look higher than they were. People needed to learn how much the stocks they were buying were worth. Banks were also investing a lot of money in the stock market, which made it risky for people who had deposited their money in those banks. The speculation was caused by people believing that the stock market would continue to increase, even though it was very risky. As people started to find out the truth, they got scared. They realized they had invested their money in something that wasn't worth as much as they thought. So, they tried to sell their stocks quickly, making prices go down even more. The market started to crash because people were selling their stocks at any price. On October 24, 1929, known as Black Thursday, the stock market experienced its first significant decline. This was followed by Black Monday on October 28, when the market experienced an even more severe crash. The market was in free fall. The New York Stock Exchange was chaotic, with traders trying to sell their stocks as quickly as possible. The crash significantly impacted globally, as other markets also lost money. The crash of 1929 was horrible. It caused many banks to fail, businesses to close, and people to lose all the money they had saved. The economy became terrible, and the country took a long time to improve. Unemployment rose to 25%, which means that 1 out of every 4 people did not have a job. This was a time when people struggled a lot to have enough money for the basics like food and shelter. The Great Depression was a time when many people lost their jobs and had a hard time making money. The government made some programs to help these people, but it took a long time for things to get better. The stock market crash of 1929 happened because people were greedy and overconfident. They did not care when investing and lost a lot of money. The market crash is a reminder to be careful when investing in stocks and that what goes up can come down again. The stock market crash led to new rules and supervision to stop something like that from happening again. So, the next time you think about investing in stocks, remember the lessons from the crash of 1929. Always do your research before investing. Be smart about it, and don't let the fear of missing out override your good judgment. Let's ensure we avoid making the same mistakes as in the past. Let's make sure we all make wise and better investment decisions. Remember to like and subscribe to this channel to stay updated with the latest insights and information. Together, we can make wise decisions and secure our future.